a modern 3-story office complex, and 2 dedicated sample rooms, ensuring agile production and client-centric service. Expertise drives excellence. With a workforce of over 120 skilled professionals, 80% of whom possess 6 years of specialized experience, we combine technical mastery with cross-departmental synergy. From R&D and precision engineering to rigorous quality control and efficient logistics, every process is optimized to deliver products that exceed international standards. Our annual output surpasses $9 million, with 50% serving markets across Western Europe, Central and South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Customized OEM or ODM solutions and flexible packaging options empower us to meet diverse client needs. Quality is non-negotiable. Operating under ISO certified protocols and backed by SGS and CIQ certifications, we employ cutting-edge technology, including tensile strength testers, salt spray chambers, and precision tooling, to ensure durability, safety, and corrosion resistance.